Let's draw a nice painting here. In this background you can see a reference lines here, and you can draw a windmill. So it has three blades of the fan, another one going to the top. All right, and just drawing the top portion. Okay, we can see the top portion here. There's the towers of the windmill. Mm-hmm. All right, so putting the the shades for the towers, which is taller. Usually, the Netherlands and other countries in Europe, they use the windmills for the generation of the electricity and other power supplies. Mhm. All right, and a few strokes you can have from the right sides too. Okay, looking good. And here you can just draw few trees at the bottom. Tree line is going to be, you can see the branches, here. Drawing the other tree lines. Okay, so there's the details of the natural landscape. Few dots here, two lines here, and some birds flying. You can put the birds flying like this. Draw a V and a straight line, so that defines the birds are flying. All right, so that's a very simple scenery. I hope you like the idea. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.